Hi, this is a demo for Chapter 12 Kelly's Boutique Case E. And in the end, before I do the demo, I want to show you what the result will be for this point. So you are to use the book form to calculate a control to compute the total retail value of each book in stock. Okay, so when we look here, for Angela's Ashes, we have 18 books. And the total for all of the books is in this box. So if I go on to design view, you will see there's a formula here. Okay, so let's get to see how this is completed. So I am asked to create this form of the book form. So I am going to do a copy, create a copy again. And in this case, I'm going to name it Chapter 12 Kelly Case E demo. I already have case E over here. So I have case E demo. I open it up and there'll be a few changes to this form. So first of all, I'm going to go in design view and I am going to change the list price when I look at my, no, I'm sorry, I have to add two fields, the quantity and total retail value. So the list price will remain and I add quantity and total retail value. And the quantity will be just a text field. So if I go and look at the design view, add the property of this box, the quantity is just a plain text, okay? And the source is quantity. So this is pretty easy. Okay, I'm gonna close it. So I have it here and then I just go to the text box, okay, and then double click on it and then just drag it if it'll let me. Yep, okay. I'm just gonna drag it over here and I can move this footer down. I have to move it up. There you go. Okay, so here I'm gonna right click, go on to properties, and control source is gonna be the quantity. Okay, I'm gonna save it and I believe I have to label it. Where's that quantity? Save it. And okay, so I'm gonna close this for now. Let me go and look at the form view. I have to change the design view. I can type it here if I want to. There you go, I save it, and now I have to add another field to put my formula in it. I'm just gonna go and right click and then let me, it's a little finicky, this one. Oh, there. It's not wanting to listen here. Let's see. There you go. Okay, and move it over. Okay. And then here, This is going to be my, what is it called? The total retail value. Okay, and in here, I'm going to format it a little bit. So the format is going to be currency. I believe there's going to be data control source. So here I have to put the formula. As you see in case E, this is the formula, okay? So it's going to be quantity times list price. So I'm just going to put that. Go in here. Quantity and list price. Okay, and then if I go back here, properties. Oh, I have to change the format to currency. So when I go here, just make sure I'm on the right place. Property, and then I change the format to currency. Right there. So I save it. Close it, and let's look and see in the form view. We have the quantity, and we have 18 books and the total retail value. And as we move through the records, you will see this number changes. Okay. So that's it. That's case E.